Managing data privacy for one website is already time-consuming. Now imagine doing that for 10, 50, or even hundreds. Every update, policy change, or consent tweak starts to multiply, turning minutes into hours and increasing the risk of inconsistencies. I'm Hannah from Termly, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage data privacy across multiple websites, whether they're your own or your clients, so you don't have to repeat the same setup. With Termly's bulk website management, you can set up your data privacy settings for one website and then apply that setup to other websites, all from one centralized dashboard. Now let's take a quick look at the tools that Termly offers under bulk website management. First, one of the simplest ways to scale is with website duplication. You can take an existing site and then make multiple copies of it from your dashboard, so everything will carry over, including your consent settings, policies, and tags, so you don't have to start from scratch. From there, you just update the site details and get it live. Now, if you already have multiple sites on your account, you can also apply copy settings from one site to others in bulk. So instead of having to go and see each one individually, you can quickly apply the same consent settings and policies across your sites to keep everything consistent. Another helpful way to organize your websites is with tags, whether it be by client, region, or project. Now, this makes it much easier to filter, group, and manage websites all at once, especially as things start to scale. And when it comes to updating business details, you don't have to do that one by one either. You can easily upload a CSV and edit multiple websites at once, which saves a lot of time compared to having to do manual edits. So whether you're part of an agency managing client websites, or just handling a growing portfolio of your own, all these tools come together to help simplify your workflow. If you want a more in-depth look at any of these features, we've linked our support articles down below in the description so you can explore each one step by step. And as always, you can reach out to our dedicated Termly support team for help. Handling data privacy at scale doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you'd like to learn more about how to simplify your compliance efforts, visit termly.io.